To protect our body in the winter season, we should eat foods that are warming, nutritious, and help boost our immunity. Drinking warm herbal tea can help keep our body cozy and comfortable. Tea with different herbs and spices can help relieve cold or cough symptom. Here I am adding tulsi, ginger, black pepper and cloves. Boil for 5 minutes on low heat. Here I am not adding any tea leaves. This type herbal tea or drinks you can give also our kids. Here I am adding honey. Honey also good for winter season. I think breakfast should be heavy in our day. After a long gap in the morning, we start our day. But we have to choose healthy breakfast option. Today I will make for breakfast rava uttapam with green chutney. I have taken rava, curd and salt and also adding water. Mix them well and keep it aside for 15 minutes. In this winter season, we also get different types fresh vegetables. Here I am adding also different types fresh vegetables. Just stir for 2 to 3 minutes. As per your choice, you can add different types vegetables. Here I am adding also little bit chili flakes, but this is optional. For consistency, here I am adding little bit more water. According to our taste, here I am again adding little bit salt, half tablespoon baking powder. For chutney, here I am taking half cup curd, coriander leaves, pudina leaves, garlic and green chili, salt, little bit sugar. Make a smooth paste. Now in a pan, take few drops oil, grease the pan and pour the batter. Here I am making medium size rava uttapam, or you can tell also pancake. But if you want, you can make also small size uttapam. I am closing also that lid hole with tissue paper or toothpick. Every day I try to change my breakfast recipes. This type healthy recipe we can make also for our lunch box or dinner. Mid-morning, I prefer one seasonal fruits. In winter, we easily get fresh different type fruits, mainly citrus fruits. From these citrus fruits, we can get vitamin C, which can help prevent disease and improve our health. Nuts are energy powerhouses. Winter is the prime time cold and flu. Nuts and seeds can help to boost our immunity. Today I will make panjeri laddu. Dry roast all the nuts and seeds and also makhana. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon ghee. Fry gone, it will puff well. Fry also raisins. Now I am taking wheat flour. Stir for 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. When it changes its color, take it out. I will make this laddu with jaggery. Add little bit water. Keep on stirring the jaggery so that it dissolves. Now in a grinder I am taking roasted nuts, seeds and makhana. Make a dry powder. Adding also that roasted wheat flour, sesame seeds. Gradually add that jaggery syrup. This type laddu we can store in airtight container for few weeks. Soup can be great source of nutrient to support our immune system. It is rich in several vitamin and minerals which help boost the immune system. Consuming soup during winter season provides warmth to our body. Due to decreased thirst, we drink less water in winter. But it may lead to different problems like indigestion, detoxification. Soup also provides fluid, which helps prevent dehydration. Here I am making chicken soup. Those are vegetarian. Without chicken also, you can make this recipe. Here I have added different types vegetables. At last I have added black pepper powder, lemon juice, coriander leaves, and adding little bit corn flour, but this is optional. Like this way, I try to improve our immunity. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.